Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. I still don't have the nice, I haven't gotten the microphone working. I've gone through a lot of testing and it was the media mod that had died, and so I got to get a new media mod and then everything should finally work with the new microphone. Anyway, so right now I've just got this little cover that helps against the wind, but it also muffles sound, so it's not great. Anyway, let's just do a quick cutting video, see what we can get today. We'll start off with this one, which was one that Gary found just a little while ago when we were out looking around, and I found that nice piece of petrified wood, so I've been looking forward to see this. Oh, well, that's not what I expected at all. Okay, there's a little bit of chalcedony agate through there, some jasper, kind of mixed. Interesting though. Here's this one cut open. This is some of that amethyst seam that we found back at Short Creek a while ago. Come on, did it get any? Not really seeing any. It may have just simply bleached through though. Oh well, still looks nice though. Here's another piece of the amethyst seam that Gary wanted me to cut open. I'm hoping this is more likely because it should have protected it better. Okay, we got a little bit up there. That's better than nothing. All right, so we got a little bit of amethyst in this one right there. Next up we have this rock that's just been sitting in my stuff. I don't know where it came from. Okay, interesting. Yeah, it is kind of like a chalcedony, maybe agate jasper. Next up we have some green kind of jasper that I had sitting around. I don't remember where this came from. Oh, nice. That looks pretty nice, actually. All right. Next up, we have this like agate nodule. I think this came from around Moab, Utah. Okay. Interesting. It looks kind of nice. The colors aren't very strong. They're pretty faded, but I do like it. Here we have a nice Dugway geode. This should be good. Here we go. Oh. Okay, it's got a nice quartz pocket at the top. Not as much in it as I thought, but it's still a Dugway geode. They usually are good. And the last one for today was just a short video. We've got some of that jasper agate that came either from Drum Mountains or from the Little Moab area. And yes, it looks good. Look at that. Nice stuff. That's a good one to end it on. And that's all I've got for today. Just a nice little cutting video. Got to see a few of the things that Gary had that hadn't been cut open yet. Nice. And just a few more things laying around. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, remember, there's treasure everywhere.